In today's video, I literally gifted myself the Renegade Raider skin. This video is actually crazy. You guys can watch the full entire video. Also, do keep in mind that this is 100% safe and does not modify your Fortnite account in any way. We can literally control what we do through this website. So yeah, we can literally gift myself any single skin. And also, make sure to watch the full entire video because I have a surprise at the end for you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so you guys want to exit out of Fortnite, and then once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the link of the description, where actually it contains all the downloads. There's going to be a lot of steps, so do be patient with this, because it does take a lot of steps to actually unlock all these skins. And yeah, this is basically the only legit method on how to actually get Renegade Raider and basically any other cosmetic. So yeah, make sure to watch the full entire video. Alright guys, so you guys want to go to the recognized link, which is in the description, and then there's going to be 2 steps. So yeah, basically all you want to do is subscribe to both of us, and then once you guys have done that, you guys just want to wait for it to unlock the link. So you guys want to subscribe to myself like I showed earlier, and then you want to subscribe to my friend X Shadow. While you guys are doing this process, you guys could probably turn on notifications, because I do update you guys a lot on how to get Fortnite dev, etc. So once you guys have completed those 2 easy steps, it's going to unlock the link. So just wait around 15 to 30 seconds and wait for it to actually unlock. And then once you guys have unlocked the link, it's going to take you to this linkvertise link, which basically will end up having you access to basically all Fortnite hybrid servers and private servers that are updated. So yeah, very simple. If you guys haven't done a linkvertise process, it's pretty easy. You just want to go into the free access, and this is completely free and does not involve any payments at all. You guys can do this for free. So yeah, you just want to continue and just wait for it to actually download. So you guys want to scroll down and press free access, and then you guys can just download it. Also, if you guys do have premium for linkvertise, you guys can do this as well, but most of you guys are going to be using the free version. So you guys want to go on free access and then download it. And then you guys want to go next, skip all, and then press open. This is going to take you to the Beacons AI link. From here, guys, you guys want to go into the Rex FN. It's going to be like the 3rd or 4th link down. Do keep in mind that I do keep this very updated, so it's not going to always look the same like this. Basically, on this page, you can find any legitimate private server and a hybrid server, basically any Fortnite type that is legit. So yeah, for this specific tutorial, we're going to press Rex FN, and then obviously credit to the Rex FN developers, because we're going to be in their Discord server right now. So then from here, guys, you guys want to go onto the rules and actually react to the rules. Make sure you have access to all the other channels, because it's very important for this tutorial. If you guys don't have access to the downloads channel, you won't be able to actually download this. So yeah, make sure to react and actually have all the channels unlocked. Then from here, guys, you guys want to go into the anywhere category and go on how to use. There's going to be multiple links, so it might seem a little bit confusing, but you guys want to go into the Rex FN Anywhere website. It's going to be a linkvertise, unfortunately, but these are very easy to go through. Just go through the same process that you did to unlock my Beacons AI link. So you guys want to go discover interesting articles, right around 5 to 10 seconds, close this out, discover related topics, and then close this out. And then continue the website. And then from here, guys, you guys want to download it. So just wait for it to actually download, and then once you guys have done this, it's just gonna download automatically. So yeah, for some reason it is taking a while, but yeah, just be patient with this. There's a lot of steps, but you will be happy in the end, trust me. My reaction was crazy when I actually found out that this actually worked. So you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open, and then you guys want to go on launch. So you guys are actually going to want to launch. If it asks for an authorization code, you guys are going to want to go back onto the Discord and then go in the code generator. It's just going to be another linkvertise process, but for some reason, it doesn't require me to give codes. So yeah, you guys could probably do this. If it does ask for an authorization code, just go through that process. Pretty simple. But yeah, once you guys have done that, you guys just want to launch it. And then it's going to launch the Rex FN Anywhere website. You guys can do this on any console platform, basically Nintendo Switch or mobile. You guys can do this on anything. And then you guys have access to all of these. And you guys may be asking yourself, well, how do I actually unlock the skins? And then once you guys are on this page, you guys can basically have access to all these skins. So yeah, you guys can use these in-game. So yeah, make sure to keep watching, because this is where the steps actually get confusing. So you guys want to launch up Fortnite now. Also, sorry if my mic is a little bit off quality. I know it's not like my usual videos, because I'm actually using my phone mic. So yeah, I don't have access to my computer mic, so I actually have to use my phone mic. So yeah. So once you guys are launching Fortnite, also comment W if you guys are still watching. Just comment W for the algorithm. And then, yeah, just keep watching. And then once you have launched Fortnite completely, I'll show you guys the next steps. So once you guys are in the lobby, you guys should have whatever skin you were last on game. And then you guys want to actually add that username that I had in that website. So I already have the guy added, so I'm just going to join his party. And then there you guys go. You basically have unlocked these skins. And you guys can also join your friends with this. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You guys can wear other skins as well, including Iconic, Wonder, etc. Basically any skin you guys can wear as long as it's in the game. I'm pretty sure you guys do have access to unreleased skins as well, including new items that have been released recently or items that are upcoming to be released. So yeah, that is also pretty cool. And you guys can also even change your back bling, pickaxe, etc. You guys can even change your level. Alright guys, so then once you guys have done this, you guys just want to go into the back blings and pick skins. You guys can play around with this. So yeah, you guys can wear any skin and you guys can flex this to your friends. You guys can join their party. So you guys can even wear the Honor Guard skin, which is an exclusive skin in Fortnite, which you had to acquire a Samsung Galaxy phone for that. So yeah, that is also pretty cool. You guys can wear that in the lobby. And you guys can just play around with this. There's a lot of stuff that you guys can do this. And now, since you guys have been waiting, I'm actually showing you guys how to get unreleased skins. So you guys want to go into skins and actually type in the secret code TBD. What this will do is it will unlock a bunch of unreleased skins. These don't have a cover for it because they will never be in Fortnite. These are literally just scrap skins. Fortnite made them and then they removed them instantly. They didn't want anybody to see them. They didn't want anybody to have them. But they're in the game files. So now, if you guys are still watching, you guys have access to these. So you guys can basically put on any TBD skin that you want and it will actually wear the skin in-game, which is pretty cool. But yeah, you guys can play around with this. Like I said, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe because it does show me that you guys want to watch more of this. So yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want more videos like this, like I said, I'm repeating myself. So yeah, I'm just going to go. I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day. Peace out, boys.